I can't wait to give you guys real detailed information, about this chia seeds, how special it is for your hair. This hair mask is going to be unbelievable. It's going to make your hair feel so luscious. It's going to make your hair grow so fast, rapid speed. So watch this video and find out how. Welcome to my natural curly hair vlog. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Hit that bell so you'll be notified when I have more videos. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram and mychablee.com. It's nothing like good food and Christmas gifts underneath the Christmas tree. Well, this is my DIY hair mask with chia seeds for luscious hair, you guys. These are chia seeds. Make sure your chia seeds are organic. The benefits of chia seeds are good for your hair and helping to have clear skin in your nails. Actually, just overall good health. Chia seeds have 8 times more omega-3 than salmon. So I placed 3 teaspoons of the chia seeds in this jar, and then I'm gonna just fill it up basically with spring water or bottled water, you guys, and let it sit. Now, one of the main reasons why I was attracted to trying chia seeds for my hair is because it has so much natural value. And it also helps with hair loss and helping to make your hair thicker and longer. Chia seeds is really great making your hair look shinier. And it also stimulates and develops healthy hair to grow, increasing the elasticity. Letting it sit for 30 minutes to an hour, it should swell up and absorb all the water and look similar to this. Did you know that chia seeds contains more calcium than milk and more vitamin C than oranges? Next ingredients for fast hair growth is avocado. Avocado is a great source of biotin. Between healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, avocados benefits your hair in more ways than one, making it softer, stronger, and even protects it from sun damage, y'all. So I actually have 3 overripe avocados. So if you guys have 1 or 2, it's fine, y'all. It doesn't matter. I'm just making enough to go through all my hair. I have quite a bit hair. My hair is getting very thick and long. All right, the third ingredient is mayonnaise, y'all. You don't have to use mayonnaise for this DIY hair mask, but I do because this mayonnaise really helps promote hair growth because it has so much protein from the eggs that helps strengthen and thickens the hair follicles. But you don't really have to use mayonnaise. You can not really use it if you don't really need to, because it does have a smell and I don't like mayonnaise at all. The next ingredients for this DIY hair mask, you guys, this is what's gonna really make your hair luscious. I am not playing. This is so rich in antioxidant that makes up matcha powder. It's been proven to strengthen and decreasing the number of split ends, you guys. This is a very powerful antioxidants for your hair. It comes from like a tree, a bark of a tree, and it has green tea leaves in it. It helps strengthens the hair from the root, y'all, all the way to the hair follicles, what helps in fact the hair to grow and to grow like faster. I mean extreme fast hair growth. I mean overnight hair growth, I don't know for sure about that, but maybe a week you can see improvement in your hair speed and your hair growth. I mean, your hair is just not going to stop growing. This is the magic of the magic. Yes, this DIY needs grapeseed oil, and we're going to put castor oil in it too, you guys. Just make for sure it's pure grapeseed oil. I get mine from the grocery store because I know it's 100% real, not synthetic. You want to get the best organic castor oil as possible. When it comes in a glass jar, it's, you know, it's good stuff. And your hair is just going to love this. Three to 4 teaspoons of castor oil and grapeseed oil would be just fine for this DIY. Make for sure you stir it up properly for a nice consistency. So this last ingredients, you know, is surprising good. I've heard a lot of good reviews. It's my first time ever using actual coffee. I love the smell of this DIY, even though it looks straight like boo-boo. But I'm not gonna play. This coffee smells really refreshing. I personally don't drink coffee, but let me just tell you all the benefits of this coffee and why I'm putting this coffee in this DIY hair growth mask. It boosts blood circulation to the scalp, you guys. When applying to the scalp, coffee improves blood circulation. So this is like, you know, the frosting of the cake. This is what's going to help penetrate it right to your scalp where the root of your hair is, you guys. That's why I decided to put this in this DIY hair mask, you guys. This helps transfer nutrients to the hair root. As a result, your hair grows faster, becomes thicker. Don't we love that, y'all? Now, this smells magnificent. I mean, this mask smells so great and pleasant, you guys. I'm very excited to put this in my hair. Right, so back to the chia seeds, the first ingredients. It looks like it's very swollen. It has to look very clunky and chunky. Now make for sure you guys use a cheesecloth or make sure you get all the seeds out of this chia seeds. Now I did a mistake. I did not do that, but make sure you do that because you'll have a hot mess in your hair. These seeds will get stuck in your hair. I washed my hair about 5 times, but you really need this ingredients in your hair because I was really hesitating, like maybe I shouldn't put this in my hair, but yes, definitely put chia seeds in your hair. Just make for sure you get the seeds out. Get a cheesecloth or a drainer, try your best, or a stocking. I prefer a stocking, and really try to get it out, and then put it in a blender. I was really in a time, so I was trying to rush this DIY, but make sure you guys really blend it to a fine, nice, runny, kind of like a smoothie texture, you know what I mean? Where it's almost runny, because you don't want to get it stuck in your hair. And I had a mistake, and yes, it was a nightmare. This got stuck in my hair. It felt so slippery and nice and gooey in my hair, but I could not get it out of my hair. Yeah. DIY hair growth mask really work, you guys. Try a DIY. I have many other different DIYs on my page. If you feel like this one has too many ingredients, definitely do one, because you see I'm retaining my hair length. My hair is getting longer, it's getting much fuller and thicker, and it's strong. So, and I'm getting less frizz, less shedding. I'm not losing that much hair. So make for sure you really take the time out once a month or twice a month to do a nice hair DIY mask. All right, you guys. So now I'm gonna get ready to put this in my hair. Don't get too scared. The color is not pleasant, but like I said, it smells like coffee, and it just smells like straight up Starbucks. I washed my hair 2 days ago. It is a bit dry. I just kept it in braids to make for sure it's really not tangled or anything. So when you put DIYs in your hair, make sure you finger detangle and detangle your hair completely, you guys, because it will really help your washing process of getting this out when it's time. So I'm just getting piece by piece. As you know, I did not take the seeds out of this DIY. That was my bad. So make sure you guys use those stockings or whatever you got to get those chia seeds out of this DIY mask, okay? So I'm applying it more on where my hair is damaged the most, and that's close to midway all the way to the ends. And then I'm going to apply it on my scalp. But first I'm going to make for sure I really clunk a bunch of it all on my ends like that. And protect yourself, you know, make sure you have a t-shirt on you don't care about, or like a towel around you or something like that. I really can't believe that chia seeds has 3 times more iron than spinach, you guys. Wow. And like I said earlier, chia seeds has more calcium than milk and more vitamin C than oranges. Whoa, this is a very powerful thing to like even put in your smoothies or sprinkle it on your eggs or your salmon. You know, you don't even have to like always put it in your DIYs, but make for sure you're eating it also. It has so many health benefits. So that's why it's so good for you to put this in the DIY, because you're going to get that hair growth. It's really going to help your hair become more healthier faster. Alright, so now I'm applying a good healthy amount to each piece. I'm just retwisting it so my hair can stay very moist and my hair can take in all the great nutrients and vitamins that this DIY has. So you don't really have to do this, but yeah, I just twist it and kind of like braid it through. And it really helps it to stay on the hair. But it's super messy. Like next time I'm gonna be sitting in the tub or something. See who's behind me sleeping peacefully is baby Shakai, so that's why I'm speeding up the process. Just wanted you to see what this hair mask looks like close up, but girl, this is gonna make your hair grow so much faster. Your hair is gonna feel super soft, and it's just good. I mean, your hair is your crown. It's the first thing people see other than your clothes is your beautiful hair. So make for sure you guys definitely subscribe to my channel. I have more hair care tips and different methods and ways that you can improve your hair. So please make for sure you hit that subscribe button down below and leave a comment too. If you end up trying this video, I want to know what was the results did you get out of it, or tell me if you did this DIY but took out like the coffee or took out the avocado, you know, how did it come out? And you know, I did one side. You guys, look at that. It's a hot mess. I'm happy I tried this DIY because my hair thanked me later. My hair does have a lot of slip, but it is difficult getting this DIY out of my hair, you guys, because I didn't properly drain the chia seeds with a cheesecloth or a stocking cap like I should. So make for sure if you do try this DIY, get the stocking cap and properly abstract the seeds from the chia, if that makes any sense. I hope you guys do that, and put it in a blender if possible, because it'll be much easier to get it out. As you see, the seeds are still in my hair. I washed it twice now, but my hair does feel extremely soft and smells amazing because of the coffee. I mean, it smells really pleasant. So I completely washed it out after I jumped in the shower again, and it's feeling amazing. As you guys see, my curls is popped right back. My hair is extremely soft. My hair is so full now. It's getting really thick. It's easy to manage after dealing with the DIY after I properly got it out. And my hair, I feel like it has a lot of volume now and body. I mean, it just looks so much better, and it doesn't look all dry and brittle. So minimum shedding, you know, even though I did all those washes, so I'm really happy.
Thanks for watching this whole video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.
And check out some of these other videos, you guys, on my right and the left, and don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified when I have more videos.